everybody. Glad you could join me today. Well, let's do a little bit more work on our waveform, okay? Just a little bit more. We're going to put a little bit of shadowing in here, okay? And I'm going to come around over here, just like this, okay? We're going to put some shadow in here, just like that. I'm just taking blue, a little bit of black, okay? It makes this kind of a grayish color, okay? Just like that. Okay, and I'm just using plain old water just to move it around. There we go, just like that. We're going to bring some of it up into the white, just like that. See? Works like a charm every time. If I get some on the brush, there we go. There we go. Just like that. Amazing, huh? Just simply amazing. There we go. Now we'll come in and we'll actually put some sparkly white in there. And that will work fine. Now let's put a little bit of dark under this, just like that. Okay, and all of a sudden our waves start having some body. Okay, and we'll put some little hits of dark out here, just like this. See that? And now we start having some more definition. Be with me tomorrow and we'll continue on with making our waves and with our big one. So we'll see you tomorrow. Remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.